So I needed a floral foam block for this outdoor planter. So I picked these up, these max shape ones, and this is what it looks like. I really like these. So it's a perfect fit. It's 9 inches tall by 4 by 4, and it gave me a solid base to build. So I put 18 stems in here, and it's holding up very well. Great for those faux arrangements. It's easy to shape. If you had to put this into a different pot, this would be easy enough to shape. You could kind of see I was playing with it. And definitely it's held strong. It's going to be able to be put into a unique container if you do need it. But I like these foam blocks. They're going to make decorating really simple and stress-free. And I do highly recommend.